Hi everybody, my name is Valerie O'Leary. Sorry I'm posting this late. What I'd like to get out of this program is, or this course rather, is a little bit more information in terms of how to support my students in the regular classroom. I currently teach high school, so I have a lot of students who are integrated into the regular classes. And also just like addressing the barriers in my class space. I know I have a few examples where students have maybe not been as receptive to our life skill students coming into the regular classroom, and other times it has been. So just to kind of find that balance, I'm hoping throughout this course that I'll be able to find some of those ways and tools to help me in the classroom. Anyways, I look forward to learning with you, and I'll talk to you soon. Miigwech!